Elon Musk's SpaceX company launched a huge rocket called Starship from South Texas on Saturday. This rocket could change how we travel to space and might help NASA send astronauts back to the moon. The Starship flight on Saturday wasn't perfect. SpaceX didn't achieve its main goal, which was to make the rocket go partly around the world and then land in the Pacific Ocean. But this second test flight showed that SpaceX fixed some big problems from an earlier test in April. All 33 engines in the rocket's lower part worked, and the rocket separated like it was supposed to, where the bottom part fell away, and the upper part's engines started working to push it to space. The first Starship launch caused a lot of damage at the launch site. Some engines didn't work, fires messed up the rocket's direction, and the safety system took too long to activate. SpaceX's way of quickly learning from mistakes helped them avoid these problems this time. However, this second flight had new issues. After the separation, the bottom part of the rocket exploded suddenly. The upper part kept going for a few minutes, reaching over 90 miles up, but then SpaceX lost contact when the safety system was used. The Federal Aviation Administration said no one got hurt and there was no damage to property. They're going to investigate what happened, which is normal when something goes wrong with a commercial rocket. Now, SpaceX engineers have to figure out what went wrong with both parts of the rocket, fix those problems, and try again. Starship is the biggest and most powerful rocket ever. SpaceX wants to use both parts of the rocket again and again quickly. This could help carry heavier stuff to space and make it cheaper to send satellites, telescopes, people, and things we need into space. This test flight is just the latest in Elon Musk's career. He's known for changing how we pay online with PayPal and for making electric cars with Tesla. As SpaceX got ready for this flight, another company owned by Musk, a social network called X, used to be called Twitter, had companies like Disney and Apple stop advertising because Musk endorsed a bad post. Even though there were problems, many people still believe SpaceX will eventually make Starship work perfectly. Below is the original version of this article. SpaceX, Elon Musk's spaceflight company, launched its Starship rocket from the coast of South Texas on Saturday, a mammoth vehicle that could alter the future of space transportation and help NASA return astronauts to the moon. Saturday's flight of Starship, a powerful vehicle designed to carry NASA astronauts to the moon, was not a complete success. SpaceX did not achieve the test launch's ultimate objective, a partial trip around the world ending in a splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. But the test flight, the vehicle's second, did show that the company had fixed key issues that arose during the earlier test operation in April. All 33 engines in the vehicle's lower booster stage fired, and the rocket made it through stage separation when the booster fell away and the 6 engines of the upper stage lit up to carry the vehicle to space. By contrast, the first Starship launch badly damaged the launch site. Several engines on the booster failed, fires knocked out the steering of the rocket, and the flight termination system took too long to explode. According to SpaceX's fail fast, learn faster approach toward rocket design, successfully avoiding a repeat of past failures counts as major progress. However, the second flight revealed new challenges that Mr. Musk's engineers must overcome. Soon after stage separation, the booster exploded, a rapid, unscheduled disassembly, in the jargon of rocket engineers. The upper stage Starship spacecraft continued heading toward orbit for several more minutes, reaching an altitude of more than 90 miles, but then SpaceX lost contact with it after the flight termination system detonated. In a statement, the Federal Aviation Administration said no injuries or property damage had been reported. It will conduct a mishap investigation, which is standard anytime something goes wrong with a commercial rocket. Engineers will now have to decipher what went wrong on both the booster and the upper stage spacecraft, make fixes, and then try again. Starship is the biggest and most powerful rocket ever to fly. SpaceX aims to make both parts of the vehicle fully and rapidly reusable. That gives it the potential to launch bigger and heavier payloads to space and to significantly drive down the cost of lofting satellites, space telescopes, people, and the things they need to live into space. The test journey's outcome was the latest split-screen moment in the career of Mr. Musk, a serial entrepreneur who previously transformed electronic payments with PayPal and electric cars with Tesla. As SpaceX prepared for the flight on Friday, Disney and Apple paused their ad spending with another one of his companies, the social network X, formerly known as Twitter, after Mr. Musk's endorsement of an anti-Semitic post on Wednesday. Many outside observers are optimistic that SpaceX will get Starship to work fully. Here are some complex words from the article. Alter, mammoth, objective, splashdown, vehicle, booster, separation, termination, approach, overcome, explosion, altitude, detonated, mishap, decipher, reusable, payloads, lofting, entrepreneur, endorsement, transportation, astronauts, complete, ultimate, operation, issues, company, engineering, challenges, orbit, federal administration, investigation, engineers, potential, significant, optimistic, SpaceX, transformation, revolutionize. Please subscribe to our channel so you can continue learning English consistently. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.